from the bottom of your heart. Let us all say together, Om Shanti. And a very good morning to all of you. First of all, I take this golden opportunity to express our deep gratitude to the Almighty Authority, because without His blessings, it would not have been possible that we would have gathered here. And I also thank our Narsinghpur Brahma Kumari's director, our Kusum Didi, who is not here in present, and her team, Kiran Didi and other sisters, and also Sister Gyan Jyoti Ben, who has come along with me from Akula. And I also thank the father, Varghese father, Varghese ji, Rahulji, and the entire team staff here for giving this opportunity. And I also deeply thank each one of you, the change makers of today and tomorrow, the leaders of tomorrow, the energy of this world, yes, who, all of you, the youth of the nation, a happy International Youth Day to each one of you. Clap. Do you know today is Happy International Youth Day? Today is Happy International Youth Day. Today is International Youth Day. And therefore, under the headline, what the center's sister has given, Utho Jagat ke vaste. But I would like to say, Jagat ke vaste to baad mein aayega, pehle khud ke vaste, swayam ke vaste. और इसका सबटाइटल है, उसके लिए क्या करना है? Be positive no matter what. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, सकारात्मक बने रहे. How does it sound? Be positive no matter what. No matter what. Just see, it could be any situation in front of you. No matter what. Is it easy to be positive no matter what? Easy? At the back? Is it easy? If easy, raise your hand. No? Not easy? Easy? For you it is easy? Easy it is? Okay. Fine. For those who say not easy, at the end of this session you will find it very easy. Will you please stand up? It's a good thing. First give a big applause to you. Okay. The first question. There is one saint, and he has professed that after you leave from here, के बाद कुछ होना है, अचानक कुछ हो ही जाएगा, अचानक से कुछ होना हो रही है, क्या मुझे हो रही है? कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी होगा, कुछ भी हो जाएगा. And is a different voice. You're scared, isn't it? So that's also negative. Yeah, that's also negative. So then it is easy, no matter what, at that moment to remain positive. Maybe afterwards you may do counseling and then become positive. That's a different thing. But at that very moment, is it possible for you to be positive at that time?
It can be.
It can be. You're not confident that you are, isn't it? It's okay, there's no problem in this. That's no problem. But there are situations where you become negative, right? There are situations, isn't it? Yes? Thank you. Sit down. Let me put one more question in front of everybody, not only him. And that question is that you all are required to make a list. Who is your best of your favorite? Your favorite hero, heroine? Could be an author, Could be a poet, could be an artist. Yeah, your favorite? So it's come in your mind? Yes? Already? Now honestly, please answer my two questions. Honestly. Just now when I asked you to make a list, 1, 2, 3, in that list, how many of you place the name of God? Very few. It's okay. A big hand to them, those who did. Another question. Please be very honest. Please be very honest and answer very honestly. Just now, when you created the list of heroes, your hero, heroine, how many of you placed your name in it? Your name in it. You placed God's name, you said. No, but you placed your hand in God's name. 3 were there. Okay. Okay. So good. A big hand to them. So if we are positive for ourselves, then we can be positive for others. If we are negative for ourselves, we are doubting whether I am a hero or not hero, whether I am the best or not. And if you see in the mirror, the one you are seeing in the mirror actually is the best person in the world. And what we are doing today, we are comparing ourselves with others. We are comparing, oh, that person, he is having so many marks, he is so fond of this and that, he's got this hobby, he is doing that. And look at me, what am I doing? You're comparing. You're comparing that one has a big house. And look at me, where am I staying? So again comparison. That person is wearing so and so dress. Next I have a dress. So again comparison. So let us not compare, because this comparing is also negative. So in order to be positive, no matter what is required? Rahulji, the beginning was, that is again thinking negative. You have made a list from morning till evening, that this I want to do, these are the things that I will be doing. At the end of the day, what do? Do you think about the tasks that are completed or the tasks that are completed are just taken for granted? Now suppose your best friend, your very best friend, when you walk out of this hall, you see that very best friend is backbiting about you. आपके पीठ पीछे वो आपके बारे में बुरा बोल रहे हैं. Will you be okay? Will you be okay? No? So again it is negative. Now why is it that we become negative? What is the reason behind this? We need to understand that. Once a student was doing an experiment in a laboratory, and while doing that experiment in the laboratory, what happened? The supervisor came and said, you require to boil the water which is there. So the student took the water in a beaker, put the gas on and started to boil it. The water started boiling. And that supervisor had gone away. There was another one, senior one, who had come and said, oh, what you are doing? You need to cool down this immediately. So now this boiling water, to cool it down immediately, what is the solution? How can it be cooled down? Immediately to cool that boiling water down, that student took some ice pieces and started putting those ice pieces in the boiling water. So what is going to be the result, everybody? The water will be cooled down? Yes or no? All together? Yes. But it did not cool down. It did not cool down. Why? Why? At the back, anybody? Why did the water did not cool down spite of putting the ice pieces, gas बंद नहीं किया. The flame was not on. Similarly, what are we doing from morning till end of the day? We are facing many situations. We are facing so much of tension, so much of stress. So to overcome this, what are we doing? What ice cubes we are putting? Either you sit, you take the mobile and you start playing with the different apps, open the YouTube and start seeing things, or you sit in the front of the TV, change the remote. Or nowadays I have heard that even the students are becoming victims of drugs to get that dopamine effect, the peaceful effect. Now all these are ice cubes. They are not going to bring the permanent solution. The permanent solution, the root cause we need to know. Why does the negative come? Because we have not tackled the permanent solution. We are not using that permanent solution. What is that permanent reason? That root reason, we need to understand that. What is that root cause of this negativity? We need to understand that. And to understand this, let us do an activity. Are you all ready? See, I am here not only to give a lecture, but to make it interactive. Because what I feel that each one of you here are inherent very positive. Like that one. What's your name? Sorry? हाँ जी, तो हम सभी आंतरिक रूप से बहुत पॉजिटिव है. We all are positive. So I want to listen from you and also learn from you. Okay? So please keep sharing. आवाज आ रही है मेरी वहाँ तक पीछे? Okay. तो बात चल रही थी. कौन सी बात चल रही थी? एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे हम आपके साथ. और वो एक्टिविटी करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? I'll be saying few simple words with spellings and I want you to repeat them with spellings 5 times. And how will you repeat them? You will repeat them loudly as well as very quickly. You should not think. Don't stop. No pauses. Okay, it has to be very quick and very loud. Are you ready for that? Sit straight, all of you. Sit straight. Look in the front, no looking left, right. And we start. The first word is boast. B-O-A-S-T, boast. Louder and R-O-S-T, roast. C-O-S-T, coast. टोस्टर में क्या रखते हैं? White rice. White rice. What do we put in the toaster? हमने क्या बोल दिया? और वो भी 5 बार विथ स्पेलिंग. T-O-S-T, टोस्ट कह दिया. What do we put in the toaster? Bread. वो टोस्ट बन के आता है, टोस्ट नहीं डालते. क्यों ऐसा हुआ? Why did we say like this? Roast, roast, roast. So what follows? The lights have come. So what happens? Why it happened like that? Because I told you, say very quickly. No pauses. No pauses. Say very quickly. And say very fast. तो इसके लिए क्या हुआ? Roast, roast, roast. What follows? Roast. So if you think what you have always thought, you will do what you have always done. And if you do what you have always done, you will get what you have always got. So if you want something new in your life, you want something right to be done in your life, what is required? You require to take a pause. Because when I slowed down and I asked you, what do you put in the toaster? So that time your intellect took the right decision. That it is bread and not toast. Because you detached yourself from the past, what you have been saying. You detached yourself from that and you focused in the present. You took a pause, focused in the present, and there your intellect took the right decision. What happens from morning till evening, we have so many things to do. There is so much of big curriculum. Then there are so many tasks to handle besides the curriculum. So many other responsibilities. At home also you have some responsibility. Societal responsibilities are also there. So many things are there. We become so multitasking, isn't it? And now, because of this, we are hurrying from one task to another. We are just hurrying. And when you get some project in front of you, oh, you feel, yes, I have done this before, and you start doing the project. You start working upon it. At the end of the day, you find that the results are not what you want. And you realize that you started only wrong. It happens like that? Yes. Why? Because you are in a hurry. You are not taking a pause and reflecting on it. To take a pause, to reflect, and then to act is very important. Why it is important? Because it gives you peace of mind. It relaxes your mind. And when the mind is relaxed and peaceful, then your intellect starts working properly. So when you have to shoot an arrow, how do you shoot? Do you just simply shoot it? You pull the bow towards you and then you shoot the arrow. Right? So that means you come back. You have to come back. So whenever there is a setback, you just simply do not sit back, but what do? You take yourself back within you, in your own self, realizing your own self. And when you do this, whatever the breakthrough, the breakdown may be, but you will be able to break through it by giving a break in your life. So a break is important in your life. Pulling back yourself is very important. Taking a pause is very important in order to be positive. In order to be always positive. Why? Because negativity emerges when we are not taking a pause and we are just hurrying. When we are attached with the past. Whatever happened in the past, if you are thinking about that in the present, negativity will emerge in the present. So in order to detach from the past and focus in the present, which will help increase your concentration power, which will help increase your memory power, how to do that? You say, for me, it's very easy. Because I'm staying in Mount Abu, I'm dedicated in Brahma Kumari spiritual organization. So detachment is very easy for me. You say you come and stay in our world and see and how difficult it is, isn't it? But today I'll make it very simple and easy for you. I just need one volunteer from this side and one volunteer from this side without pointing to each other. No professor will say, no teacher will say who has to come. You yourself will take initiative and one of you please come here and one of you from here please come here. Anybody. Nobody will look at the back or front or left or right or others. You yourself take initiative and come. Come quickly. Anyone from here, anyone from here. Please stand up. Yes. That girl from the last. Please come. A big hand to her. Okay. So here we have Bharat and here we have Amishta, both starting from A. Okay. We request you from here. Please sit on the chair in such a way that your back is in the back of the chair, your hands holding the chair, your legs in the legs of the chair, holding the legs of the chair, and we need to stick them quickly. They should be stuck with the chair quickly. What shall we use? Quickly. Fevikwik. Okay? So now using Fevikwik, you are stuck with the chair, you are also stuck with the chair. You are not Avishka, you are chair. You are not Anand, you are chair. Little you cannot even know. You cannot even know. Okay? Both of you are stuck with the chair and you are a chair. Now you are requested to move the chair left, right, front, back, wherever you have space. You cannot. You are stuck, whole body is stuck. And now just move the chair. Whole body is stuck, cannot move the body even little. And just move the chair. Not able. Not possible. Anybody would like to challenge, you feel that you can do it? Yes, please come forward. Anybody of you who says possible, raise your hand. Okay, all are with you. All of them are with you. They are also saying not possible. Fine. So you are now not stuck with the chair. You are also not stuck. Not stuck. Be relaxed. You are not chair. You are Avishka. What a beautiful smile on your face. You are also not chair. You are Anand. And he is also happy about it. Are you happy that you are not chair? You are, yes, very good. Now can you move the chair? You are not stuck. You are not a chair. Please move. Yes. Not move and the chair back to its place. Thank you. The chair, is it powerful? Who is powerful? The chair is powerful or we are powerful? All together? Yeah. We are powerful, isn't it? Then why couldn't we move the chair? Why couldn't we move the chair? क्यों नहीं खिसका पाए कुर्सी को? थोड़ा सा तो खिसकाना था. क्यों नहीं खिसका पाए? Because we were stuck with the chair. And one more important thing at the back, कौन बताएगा? One thing was that we were stuck with the chair. What was the another important reason? Another important reason. What did we tell them? Who are they? They are chairs. So they forgot their identity and they adopted the identity of the chair. Now the chair is powerless, and because you adopt the identity of the chair, you also become powerless. And you are not able to move the chair. So when you adopt the identity of the chair, you became powerless. When you are stuck with the chair, you became powerless. Now when you are detached from the chair, when I said no, you are not chair, you are who you are not even stuck with the chair, then what happened? You could move the chair and you could do what you want to do with the chair. Right? You had full control over the chair. But when was that possible? When you were not stuck with the chair. And when you did not identify yourself with the chair. This is what happens when any situation arises. It could be an exam situation. It could be a situation where you need to give a presentation. Suddenly you are told to give a presentation. It could be a situation where suddenly you are told to come on the stage and say something. Right? At that time, you identify yourself with the chair. So you identify yourself with that situation also. It could be that situation where your very best friend is speaking bad about you, is backbiting about you. It could be even that situation. There also you identify yourself with that situation of what is happening, rather than being in your identity of who you are. Right? And therefore what happens? The situation is controlling you. Rather than you being the controller of the situation is controlling you. Rather than you being the controller of the chair and do whatever you want to do, the chair controlled you. And you could not even move the chair. So also it happens with the situation. We identify ourselves with the situation to such an extent that situation overpowers us and we become helpless. Isn't it? Now say for example, you want to go for a morning walk in the morning. From what time do you get up to come to the school? 6. 6 o'clock? Okay, it could be 5:30, 5, 6. Now since you want to also go for a morning walk, you put an alarm half an hour early. And say, okay, tomorrow I will go for a walk. Because nowadays, whether you are elderly people or whether you are young, walk is recommended by doctors for everybody. Isn't it? Now, when you put an alarm for the morning walk, the alarm rings. You wake up. But then it's raining very heavily. It's raining very heavily. So what's an opportunity for you? Snooze the alarm and go to sleep? आज तो बारिश हो रही है ना, सो जाओ। आता है ना समझ में? होता है ना ऐसा? So what are we doing when we are doing this? We are becoming slave of the situation. It's raining, so I'm helpless. If I go out, I will fall sick. What will happen? All negatives started emerging because you are focused on that rain, which is the external outer circle of our life. But instead of that, if you are focused on your inner circle of your life, that is your values of your real identity of who you are, then what will you do? You are determined. No matter what, I will go for a walk. Then what will you do? It is raining heavily, you cannot stop the rain. It is out of control. But you are determined and will go for a walk. So what will you do? Take an umbrella. Yes? Are you with her? Take an umbrella, wear a raincoat, or you walk on a treadmill but you will not go to sleep because you are determined. So when you are taking an umbrella or raincoat or finding what you are doing, you are finding a solution. You are not problem focused, but you are solution focused. You are not problem oriented, but you are solution oriented. But when this is happening, when you are detached from what is happening outside, from that situation you are detached and you are focused on your identity of who you are, what you want to do. Right? So where is the control? Control is in our hands. It is within us, inside, not outside. What we are doing is we are trying to control what is outside. That person is backbiting, you are trying to control that person. Why is he doing that? Why is she doing that? That person should not do this. Your focus is on that situation, that problem. We are becoming problem oriented. We are identifying ourselves with the problem. Right? And we are trying to control that other person. Is that person going to change? Is that person going to change? Right? By doing this, the person will not change. But instead of being focused on that external situation, you focus on your values, that you are a positive being. You are innately very positive. You are a positive being. Just think for a while now. Take a moment, pause and reflect on this, that you are a positive being. Whatever is outside, external, is all negative. It's not in my control. There is one situation which is 24/7 with us, always with us, always. It is with me also, it is with each one of you, it's even with the father, it's even with your teachers, everybody, all the sisters who are seated here. 24/7, that situation, that paristhiti, मतलब परिस्थिति, पराई स्थिति, जो मेरी स्थिति नहीं है, जो स्वस्थिति नहीं है, वो पराई स्थिति है. That is external, पर है, पराया है, मेरा नहीं है. And that is always with us. Any guess? 24/7, each one of us. That situation is always with us. Any guess, anybody? Okay, I'll give you a hint. When you wake up in the morning, you look in the mirror. What do you see? क्या देखते हैं आप? Yourself? Yourself? Now do you see I am a nose? Do you say like that I am nose? Do you say I am eyes? Do you say I am mouth? Do you say I am ears? Do you say I am face? No, you say you are looking at your face. So that means the face is different. The eyes are different. You say my eyes. So who is saying this? My eyes, my nose. Who is saying this? Who is saying this? So when you dissect from here and here, inside the brain, there is a hypothalamus. Have you heard about hypothalamus? Seat of emotions, those who study science. Here also, here there is pituitary gland. Now near this pituitary gland and near the hypothalamus, there is an energy which the scientists say psyche. And in spiritual language, we call it as the soul. Right? Atma. So who am I here who is saying that these are my eyes, my nose and all? It is me, the soul, Atma, Ruh. This is me who says that. So, what is that situation which is 24/7 with me, that paristhiti? That paristhiti is this body, which is paristhiti, which is paraya. Right? We have adopted this when we came into this world. We did not bring this along with us. We, the soul, came into this body, and when we say that the body, we die, that is, we are leaving this body and we depart. We don't take this body along with us. Right? This is paristhiti, paraisthiti, this is paristhiti, which is always there with us 24/7. I am big, you are small. I am senior, you are junior. I am beautiful, you are ugly. I am dark, you are fair. I am tall, you are short. I am Hindu, you are Muslim. See, so many of discriminations. I am a girl, you are a boy. So much of discrimination just because of this body. And just because of that, all the negativity emerges. That person speaking bad about me, how dare. How dare he does or she does like that. This is body consciousness which is saying all this. Just shift your consciousness from this body. See yourself as a soul. A white tiny dot here in the center of the forehead. Very peaceful, very positive, which is my true identity. I am the soul, very positive, very peaceful. See yourself in that state of mind. And then you see that situation. Detach from that situation. Be in your identity of who you are, a very positive soul. And now you look at that situation, that other person who is backbiting. What will be the thoughts emerging in you? Visualize that now. Earlier the thoughts were of revenge. Earlier the thoughts were of proving yourself. Right? Now when you are positive, very peaceful, visualize yourself, detach from this body, detach from that external situation, detach from what that other person is doing. And now, what are the feelings emerging in you? उसके प्रति क्या भावना आपके अंदर आ रही है? क्योंकि आप पॉजिटिव हैं. Let it go. Let it go. Very good. Give a big hand to her. Now, because you are let go, what are you doing? What are you doing? Because you let go, whatever the other person is doing, and you're doing this because what is important for you? The relation of what happened. What is important? Relation of friend is important. And so you let go. Why? Because you think maybe that sometime I might have said something which has hurt her or him. And so that person is doing like that. Is it possible? Possible? Possible at the back? Is that possible? Yes? Okay. So then you say, okay, let go. Right? Now when you are let going it, what are you actually doing? When you let go, what are you doing? Yes? You are focusing on yourself. Right? We give a big hand to her. You are not focusing on the situation, the outer circle, but you are focusing on yourself. So instead of proving yourself, you are improving yourself. Right? So when you focus outside, you are proving, but when you are focusing inside, you improve yourself. Right? What else? What are you actually doing? कौन सी भावना इमर्ज हो रही है उसके लिए? When you are focusing on yourself, when you are saying let go, what actually is the feeling inside you for that person? What are you doing for that person? You are? Yes, someone said? Yes? Sorry, repeat करेंगे?
Detaching ourselves.
Detaching ourselves, yes. Give a big hand to her. Very, very important to detach yourself from the negativity of others. When you are in a plane, have you anybody been in a plane? What happens in the plane? You know, they say that before the plane starts, they say that in an emergency the mask will fall down. Right? You have to wear the mask first and then you help others. If maybe even a child, you help others later. So you safeguard yourself first. Right? So when you detach yourself, you are safeguarding yourself from that negative vibration, that negative energy. Isn't it? Which is very important. And because you are safeguarding yourself from that person's negative energy, what else is your next step? What will you do? What will you do? You are? What are you doing? You are? Come on. You are dash. What are you doing? You are? It starts from F. You are? Someone said. Yes, someone said. You are? Starts from F. What will you do to that person? क्या करेंगे आप उसे? Forgive. Big hand to all of you. So when you are focused on your inner consciousness, your inner circle, you forgive. That is your improving in yourself, right? You forgive and forget. Now when you do this, what will be the next step? Because you are forgiven, because you are detached, because you let go, what is the next step? And because relation is important to you, what will you do? You will wait for the right moment to listen to that person, to understand that person, why that person did so, isn't it? To communicate with that person. Earlier when you were taking revenge, you didn't even wanted to speak with that person. You didn't even wanted to speak with that person, distance with that person, right? But now, when you are positive, you are focused in your inner self, you are improving yourself, you are not waiting that the other person will come and forgive you or ask for forgiveness, but you yourself are forgiving. So you consider, you take an initiative to maintain that relationship by taking an opportunity to speak with that person, right? So instead of being reactive, what you are doing? You are choosing your response. Nowadays, there is always a complaint that whatever situation happens or whatever something will happen, everybody reacts immediately. When you said roast, and what is to be put in the toaster, you said roast, that was a reaction, an immediate reaction, right? But what was the right response? Bread was the response. So whenever there is any negative situation coming, whenever anything is happening, any situation, take a pause, choose your response. And when you make the right choice, you become useful not only for yourself, not only for your friends, not only for your school, not only for your society, but also for your nation and also for your world. And that is the youth energy, to choose a response. That is the youth energy, to be positive in all situations. And there you say, I can do, I will do, I can do. There is never a reaction that how it's going to happen. That is reaction. But response is, I can do it. That is the response. So positivity is a response. Negativity is a reaction. Isn't it? And this is easily possible when you are focused in your identity. Just like a rose. The rose is growing on. The rose is growing on. What is beneath the rose? गुलाब के नीचे क्या है? कांटे। क्या गुलाब कांटों का दर्द देता है कभी? नहीं देता। वो अपनी खुशबू ही देता है। वो अपनी आइडेंटिटी में रहता है। तो हम भी ऐसे परमात्मा की संतान रूहे गुलाब हैं। We are also very beautiful, positive rose flowers here. So let us spread that fragrance of positivity, no matter what. Not give the hurt of the thoughts, the negativity to anybody. So are you ready to do that? Be positive no matter what. No matter what, will you be positive? Yes? Yes? No matter what? फिर कुछ भी हो जाए. Anything may happen, anything suddenly may happen, whatever may happen. But why are you positive? Why are you positive? Why are you positive? Because it's your nature to be positive. Because my identity is positive. Now how long will you remain positive? The other person is doing something negative daily. How long will you remain positive? You also need to prove that you are something. You also need to prove that you are something. Now that proving itself is negative. So I have done a research on water. Have you heard about this? Scientist, Russian scientist, he did a research on water. He took one bottle of water and he said that if everybody say negative words, bad words, start saying, so easy. सबने बोलना शुरू कर दिया, जल्दी जल्दी आ गए, सबके गालियाँ, जो गालियाँ बोली इतना easy था, सबने बोलना शुरू कर दिया. That water got charged with negativity, it was frozen. Another bottle, और सबको बोला speak positive. What will you say is positive, Mama? What are positive sentences? Ajay? You are looking beautiful today. Thank you. What else? Thank you again is a positive word. Yes? Thank you. What else? Ajay? What are the positive words? What are positive words? Peace. Peace. Thank you. Love. What else? Sorry. What else? Mercy. What else? Peace. What else? What else? You are a very good listener. Yes? What else? Praise. Praying for others. See? These are positive. Yes? Gratitude. This is positive. So now when all the positive words, positive songs, positive music was being played, so that water was charged with positivity and it was frozen. After 2 days, there was a test done of those water bottles. So the water which was charged with negativity, it had become very dirty, very dirty. बहुत मैला हो गया था. And the water which was charged with positivity, there were beautiful crystals in it. Beautiful crystals for different positivity words. Now this body, how much percent water is there in our body? Yes. So when that person is backbiting and I am here saying negative, thinking negative, what is happening? Those negative thoughts are affecting where? The water in my body before it reaches there. So what is happening? That water in my body is becoming so dirty, full of toxins. So when I'm not at ease here, I'm at this ease here, the body is creating diseases. The body is creating diseases. But when I'm at ease here, very positive, I'm thinking positive, okay, no matter, it's fine. That's their sanskar of backbiting. My sanskar is to be positive. So I am being positive. Right? So I am in positive mind state. So what is happening? It is affecting the water in my body. And what it is creating inside? Beautiful crystals, positive hormones. It is keeping my body very healthy. So what do you choose? Negative or positive? What do you choose? Disease or health? Sometimes or always? Always? Always healthy? So always positive? Always positive? Certain? Sure? Yes? So to remain always positive, we need to even connect with a source who is always positive. Very important. Because we want to be always positive, but when we walk outside here, all negative are there tapping the door, waiting for us. As soon as we go outside from here, there is negative waiting to overpower you. But who will protect you? If you are connected with one who is always positive, who is that one who is always positive? The God. Who is always positive. Always. He is our Father, Mother, everyone. And if I consider myself to be a positive being first and then connect with Him, the God, who is always positive, then He helps us because God helps those who help themselves. So what is helping myself? Helping myself is to be detached from the external situation, be in my identity that I am a positive being, and then when I connect with God, then His current will come inside me. His help of current will flow into me. Because the current flows into the wire which does not have a rubber coating. When the wire is detached from the rubber coating, then only the current flows into it. This body is the rubber coating. Detach yourself from this rubber coating and His energy will flow into you. His power will flow into you. His positivity will flow into you. And you will be the best hero. You will be the best powerful person in the world where no negative can ever harm you. You can never be defeated no matter what situation may be. You will always be victorious. You will always be able to fulfill your dreams. You will always be healthy. When is that possible? When you are connected with that Almighty who is always positive. So how about taking a minute and doing that now? Yes? Sit straight. Sit straight, keep your eyes open. Your eyes open. How do you remember God with eyes open or closed? And while remembering God, when your eyes are closed, you may wander to some like Alice in the Wonderland. And you may not know where you are going when the mouse asks Alice, where you want to go. I do not know, then go anywhere. Then you are not focused, isn't it? So what we need to do is keep our eyes open. Why? Because we want to experience this positivity while we are doing any work, and we do our work with eyes open. These eyes are windows of the soul. So what happens? Whatever we think here, whatever we feel here, they flow through these windows outside and they create that atmosphere. Right? So when we think positive, we are creating a positive atmosphere all around us, which is like a positive shield around us, protecting ourselves from the negativity. So we keep our eyes open Yes, so that we can radiate that positivity outside. But what we are going to use? We are going to use our inner eye, the third eye of wisdom. That is the intellect. So we'll connect with God with intellect, with the wisdom, with the third eye. Now what is this third eye? Just visualize a star in the sky at night. Can you see that now? At night there are many stars. They are not there in front of you now. Now it's daytime. But you can visualize them that you are doing with your third eye. Okay? So what we are going to do now, keeping our eyes open, we will visualize whatever I say. Do not say repeat it aloud. Just repeat it in your mind and visualize it with your third eye. Feel it. Okay? Sit straight. Straight. No looking left or right. No looking at each other. Just be with yourself. Be with yourself. Look in the front. Eyes open. With a sweet smile on your face. You are going to be the best hero. Our own self. Yes, so with a sweet smile on your face. Eyes open. Looking in the front. Visualize in the center of your forehead a tiny white dot, a white star, shining in the center of your forehead where we apply the tilak. एक छोटा सफेद सितारा चमक रहा है, देखो अपने आप को. With great love for yourself, see yourself. This is my true identity. I am a positive being, a positive star. Feel that positivity. Radiate that rays of positivity outside through your eyes. This body is like a chair. I am not the chair. I am a positive being, detached from this body. This body is like a cage and I am like an independent bird flying towards the sky. See yourself going up towards the sky. Beyond the sky, be focused and see yourself. Beyond the sky, this golden red sky. Just visualize that. See yourself like stars shining in that golden red sky. Such a beautiful scene. Visualize it. Feel the peace. Feel the positive energy there. Look with great attention. There is a flawless diamond there, which is the Almighty Authority. See yourself very close to Him. He is our father, mother, friend, everyone. And take His energy in you. Take His positivity inside you. Thank Him for that. Filled with this positivity, now come back to the center of your forehead. See yourself radiating that positivity outside. Whoever is there in front of you, see that soul in the forehead, shining, the child of the Supreme Soul, my brother, my sister. We are all belonging to one family. We are all the flowers of garden of that God, Allah. Seeing negativity in any flower is seeing negativity in God Himself, which is the greatest sin. So then, and radiate this positivity everywhere. Yes? Did you visualize? Did you visualize? Who visualize yourself as a star, positive star in the forehead? Raise your hands. Good, good, good. Who visualize yourself going towards the sky? Seeing the Godfather, taking His energy, filling yourself with it. Very nice. Keep your hands in the front. Hands in the front. Hands in the front. Up. Up. Pat yourself. I am positive no matter what. Yes? Yes. So I'll say be positive, you'll say no matter what. I'll say no matter what, you'll say be positive. Be positive. Be positive. Be positive. No matter what. No matter what. No matter what. Thank you so much. Any question, anybody? Any question, anybody? किसी को कोई प्रश्न है मन में? है कोई प्रश्न? सब प्रसन्नचित है? सब प्रसन्नचित? सदा ऐसे आ सके जी।
This morning, Chavra School is blessed with the grace-filled presence of our ladies and mayors. I really thank all of you for your loving presence and very positive energy we feel in this hall. There's a saying in Kenya, Africa, always, God is good all the time. So what they do, speakers say, God is good, then audience say, all the time. Yeah? And say, shall we do that? Yes. God is good? All the time. God is good? All the time. God is good? All the time. All the time? God is good. All the time? God is good. When Didi was speaking to you, I was remembering this verse. And this is a positive energy. And she was enabling all of us to be good, to be positive, as God is always good and positive. And really, on behalf of the Chavra Vidyapith family, on behalf of management, student, and staff, Didi, thank you very much. And I know last 6-7 years I am associating with from Carmel School onwards. I'm seeing your beloved sisters' presence in Nasipur district and a grace-filled presence and helping a lot of people to be united in God and at the same time to be doing good to many. Especially you are taking care of the youth and that is a time of this is a need of the time and there are two celebrations, very important celebration in this month. That is 15 August, Independence Day, and 29th, yeah, correct? Rakshabandhan. And when our Didis are here, I remember that you, beloved sisters, you are here and you remind us. And you are doing the great service to our nation and taking care of our students. So that is your dedication, you are showing your dedication to the nation. So we wish the happy Independence Day, Rakshabandhan, all the blessings of the Rakshabandhan on behalf of Chavra family. Thank you very much.
Of the entire Chavra family, from students, staff members and management, I request Father to please present the token of love to Brahma Kumari Didi.
इंटरनेशनल यूथ डे पर हम सभी विशेष 10 करोड़ नशा मुक्त प्रतिज्ञा अभियान जिसमें विशेष युवाओं को हमें सदा ऐसे रहना है जिससे हमारी शारीरिक शक्ति भी बचेगी, मन की शक्ति भी यूज कर सकेंगे। तो अभी हम सभी प्लेयर्स देंगे, सभी अपना राइट हैंड सामने करेंगे और हमारे साथ साथ रिपीट करेंगे। मैं एक सशक्त परिवार के लिए, एक उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए और एक विकसित भारत के लिए नशे से दूर रहूंगी। मैं अपने परिवार